Imagine buying a brand new, ultra-fast Apple desktop computer for less than the price of premium AirPods. Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready, because the budget tech market is about to be turned upside down. If you thought Apple was done shaking things up, you are dead wrong. We are talking about a highly anticipated project currently known as the Mac Neo. Let us rewind just a bit to understand how we got here. Recently, the tech world has been buzzing with rumors about Apple's new budget strategy, especially after the wild concepts of a $599 MacBook Neo running on an A18 Pro chip. People initially thought a cheap Apple device would mean heavy compromises and cheap plastic. But the idea of putting iPhone 16 Pro power into an aluminum chassis changed everything. The single-core performance of these new chips easily matches expensive MacBooks, and they actively beat the legendary M1 chips. So, top tech analysts started asking a very obvious question. What happens if Apple takes that exact same magic chemistry and puts it in a desktop? What if they rip away the expensive screen, ditch the premium keyboard, remove the trackpad, and just stuff that raw power into a tiny box? That is exactly what the rumored Mac Neo is all about. Think of it as the Mac Mini's much smaller brother. Because Apple does not have to pay for a big battery or a bright display, the price tag on this thing is going to be historic. We are talking about a rumored starting price of just $399. If you qualify for the education discount, things get even better. You could potentially snag this brand new computer for just $299. Let that sink in for a second. That is under $300 for a highly capable Apple machine. But what exactly do you get for that wildly low price? You might assume it is just an underpowered toy that cannot handle real work. The latest leaks say otherwise. Currently scheduled to launch around the spring of 2027, this little beast will likely skip the A18 and jump straight to the brand new A19 processor. It is also heavily rumored to pack 12 GB of RAM right out of the box. Even if Apple steps the GPU down to 5 cores to save money, this machine will be a total beast. It will absolutely fly through web browsing, document editing, and light media creation with zero issues. Now, you might be asking if this is just an Apple TV in disguise. The answer is a massive no. An Apple TV runs on older silicon and is totally locked down by a restrictive operating system. The Mac Neo is completely different. It is going to run a full, unrestricted version of macOS. You can download whatever software you want. You can use it as a legitimate, serious workstation. Plus, people are absolutely going to buy this thing for their living rooms. If you plug it into a big screen TV, it becomes the ultimate media and retro gaming center. It kills the need for a high-end Apple TV entirely because it gives you way more freedom. Let us talk about the hardware ports. Because this is a budget device, Apple will make some strategic cuts to protect their profit margins. Do not expect crazy fast Thunderbolt connections here. On the front, rumors point to 2 standard USB ports for easy access to flash drives and chargers. On the back, things stay super practical. You will get a standard gigabit Ethernet port for stable internet, 2 USB Type-C ports, and a classic headphone jack. But the biggest deal of all is a dedicated HDMI port. That single port is exactly why this machine will sell millions. You can plug it into any cheap monitor or old TV without buying expensive dongles. It actually gets even better. The Mac Neo will reportedly come in multiple fun colors. You will not be stuck with just boring silver or space gray. You can pick a color that matches your room or your personality. A full aluminum desktop, a next-generation A19 chip, 12 GB of RAM, and full macOS, all for roughly $300. It honestly sounds like an absolute dream for budget tech lovers. In my honest opinion, the Mac Neo is going to completely disrupt the entire PC market. For years, finding a good, fast desktop under $400 was nearly impossible. You usually had to settle for a sluggish Windows machine made of cheap plastic. The Mac Neo changes all the rules. It brings Apple's legendary build quality and smooth software to a price anyone can afford. I genuinely believe this could become the best-selling desktop in Apple's entire history. The bar to entry for the Apple ecosystem has never been this incredibly low. It offers unbeatable value that competitors simply cannot match right now. So, I have to throw the ultimate question over to you guys. Would you buy a Mac Neo for $299? Would you use it as a cheap home office computer for daily tasks, or would you hook it up to your living room TV as a dedicated media center? Let me know all your honest thoughts and crazy setup ideas down in the comments below. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who needs a cheap computer, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an exciting tech update. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you guys in the next video.